Listen carefully. AI is not coming for your job, but somebody who knows AI, they are absolutely coming for it. And in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to be on the right side of that line in 2026. Here's a number that should grab your attention. According to the World Economic Forum, AI will create 170 million new jobs by 2030. 86% of businesses are already preparing for this shift. So the question isn't whether AI will change your career, it's whether you'll be ready when it does. Let me show you what's already disappearing: manual data entry, basic admin work, repetitive coding, standard reporting. These tasks used to pay decent salaries 5 years ago. Today, GitHub Copilot writes the code, ChatGPT does the reports, automation handles the data. If your skill set lives only in this list, you're standing in the danger zone. And the next 3 years are going to feel brutal. But here's the flip side: look at what's exploding. Prompt engineering, up 340%. Generative AI, 285. AI operations, 220. This is the biggest skills migration in modern history. And the people learning now, they're earning salaries that didn't exist 18 months ago. They learn the tool, they memorize chat GPT prompts, they copy templates from YouTube. And 6 months later, the tools have changed and they're back to square one. The smart move is to learn the thinking: how AI actually works, how to design workflows, how to solve real business problems. Tools change every 6 months, but the thinking compounds for life. Let's talk money. Same age, same college, same starting line. One person learns traditional IT and earns 6 lakhs per year. The other invests 90 days into AI skills. Their starting salary, 18 lakhs and up. That's 3 times the salary for the same effort, the same intelligence. The only difference is what they chose to learn. And in 3 years, the top AI engineers in India are crossing 50 lakhs. This isn't hype. This is the new floor. So, how do you actually do this? Here's the 90-day path. Days 1 to 15, you build your Python and AI foundations. Days 16 to 40, you master generative AI and prompt frameworks. Days 41 to 60, you build 3 real portfolio projects. Days 61 to 75, you specialize in prompt engineering, ML operations, or generative AI development. And the final 15 days, days 76 to 90, you focus on landing the job, mock interviews, resume optimization, direct placement support. This is the program we run at Microcare Academy: 90 days, live mentorship, real industry projects, and job support. Our next batch is starting soon. Seats are limited and filling fast. If you're serious about being on the right side of the AI shift, here's what to do right now. WhatsApp or dial us at the number. Visit microcareacademy.in. The next 90 days can change the next 30 years of your career. The only question is, will you start?